Session on Bank of Baroda corporate credit vacancy. So please confirm whether I am clearly audible to all of you or not. Just confirm you are watching us live in YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Wherever you are watching us, please confirm us whether I am clearly audible to all of you or not. It's a very important session, and I will be answering all questions and comments. Yes, Kapil, welcome to the session. Welcome to the session. Others, please confirm. We are going live. Those who are new to the platform, you are with Knowledgist, India's only dedicated banking lateral entry platform with a 80% plus success rate in all our exams. Yes, of this. Yes, go ahead and ask your doubts and questions, whatever you are having in mind. I will be answering one by the other in a minute. So yes, just a second. Let me share with you the details. Yes. As you have seen the advertisement with Puneet sir today afternoon, so I will not be going into that detail. But remember, you can apply before 12th of July, and we have launched a dedicated course. Link is there in the description of the YouTube. So those who are watching us in LinkedIn can shift to YouTube or find it in our website. Clear? So this is our faculty, no need to discuss on that, but we will discuss on posts. Relationship manager, corporate credit, scale 3 and scale 4, 175 number of vacancies, huge vacancy for scale 4. People having experience of at least 10 years can apply for the scale 4 position. I believe those who could not make it to the Bank of Maharashtra scale 3, probably they are eligible. So that's why I always say whether you pass or fail, please continue your preparation. Sooner or later, you will qualify. And now, in front of you, the details are there in front of you. Now, you can also go to a scale 4 position without any written exam. There will only be the interview. On scale 2 and scale 3 position, there will be the exam, quant, reasoning, and English. And apart from that, 150 marks of professional banking questions. Yes, now I will be answering few of your questions. So let me go to your chat. Yes, what is the question? 1 year diploma of PG required for scale 3. In scale 3 position, postgraduate degree, graduation with postgraduate degree, diploma with specialization in finance. Those who are not having a master's degree should have at least a diploma degree. Okay, diploma degree like diplomas like you do in ICICI Manipal Academy, Axis Manipal. Nowadays there are other banks having close coordination with other education institute, so there you can have the course. Clear? It's scale 4 is direct interview, scale 3 is written, but everywhere your professional banking knowledge will be put on test. So we will be providing dedicated course. You know what is there in the course. I will also be discussing about the course content. But yes, those who are interested, they can join us from the links in description. Please go to YouTube and find Knowledgist and enroll for the course. Yes. What is the question from Abdesh? I am MCom. You are eligible? Yes, you are eligible for scale 3. You are eligible for scale 3, Abdesh Kumar. Manipal PGDBRM is eligible. Yes, eligible. We are 28,000 plus people watching, people follow us on LinkedIn. So we are very popular over there. But I request people from LinkedIn to switch to YouTube us, to follow us on YouTube too. Sir, I am MCom done. Direct interview scale 4. CMA CA is preferable. It is preferable, not mandatory. MBA in finance with 3 years experience in private bank. 3 years experience, then you can go for the scale 2. Scale 2. Go for scale 2. Okay. If you are a fresher, there are so many other opportunities. Bank of India credit was one for you. Now RRB, PO, clerical exams are there. So go for that, Subham Chaudhary. Any other vacancy? Currently, vacancies are in RRB and the last date is till 27th. स्केल 2 में सीए मैंडेटरी है. स्केल 2 में सीए मैंडेटरी है. ग्रेजुएशन विथ सीए डिग्री. In scale 2, the CA degree is mandatory, but in scale 3 and scale 4, it is not mandatory. Ask your all your doubts. Ask all your doubts. Yes, others, please ask your doubts. I will be answering by one, and I will be taking two or two towards the course content. Bob, credit officer MSME का scale 3 वाला result कब आएगा? It will take time. One by one, the interviews are taking place, so it will come. Some of the posts are advertised. Some of the advertised posts interview is already done. So in some positions, interviews are yet to be done. In some, there is the final result has got declared. So please wait. They will declare. MBA finance with experience with not eligible for scale 2 as CA is mandatory. Yes, Barsa. Now CA is mandatory there. 5 years experience, no other diploma. Then if you have a master's degree, you are eligible. JIIB will not be taken as a diploma degree. Sir, MBA with marketing and there are so many questions. Marketing and 6 years of experience as a relationship marketing eligible. Go for scale 3. 9 years of Kiran Singh, 9 years of experience, nationalized bank, and have done MBA finance as a part-time mode. Scale 3, I think they have not mentioned anything regarding part-time or full-time. So, just a second. Yes, you can go for it. Part-time, full-time is not being mentioned. You can go for it. You can go for it. Uh, I have done MBA finance distance, 5 year of experience, scale 3. Go for it. CS mean company secretary here. CS here mean the company secretary. CS here mean the company secretary. We have launched a dedicated course. I will take you to the course where in a yes. MBA finance eligible. MBA finance eligible. Post graduation diploma in banking eligible. Yes, eligible Abhijit. You are eligible. I have 10 years of experience, assistant manager, MBA finance through distance learning, eligible. But as you are currently working as an assistant manager, you will not be directly placed as a scale 4, which is a chief manager cadre. So you should also assess whether the interviewer will take you as a chief manager or not. So that's why you can go for the scale 3. Even if you are meeting the required number of years of experience, but you have not dealt with the quantum of business that is required for the position, then you please apply for scale 3. It's important for you to crack an exam in a public sector bank, government bank. Clear? Yes. Go ahead with your further questions. The Diksha is saying having degree in PGD and 5 years experience. Can I? Yes, you can apply for scale 3. MBA finance with 3.5 years of experience, mutual fund, 3 years experience in gold loan. No, I think you need CA for scale 2. 5 years at least required for the scale 3 position. Development officer is eligible plus, but you should focus on RRB. Maybe they are not going to take you here. See, this is a corporate credit. They are looking those who have handled corporate credit. But nowadays the corporate credit applicants are not available in that number. So that's why they are looking forward for people those who are having sales, relationship management, and credit exposure. But that doesn't mean that they will take from every single profile. They will look into the relevant ones. So, Amandeep Singh, I will suggest you to go for scale 2 or scale 3 RRB. 5 years PGDP ICICI Piyush Parekh, please go to the scale 2 position. Sorry, scale 3. No, sir, CIB, JIB will not be considered as a diploma. You can apply even if you are in a RRB. If I have missed anyone's comment, please send that comment again. I will be answering them because due to the number of comments, I tend to miss them. Sir, I have 1 year PG diploma and experience 14 year. You can apply for scale 4, Chandrasekhar. 6 years experience, Deepak Kumar. You can go for scale 3. 6 year MBA finance marketing through regular basis, scale 3. Chartered accountant Subankar De, chartered accountant, you can go for it if you have a CA degree. Fanidhar, I am 10 years of experience in credit with nationalized bank and PGD. Yes, you are eligible. You are eligible. You are eligible. I will be taking you to the course. Just a second. Just a second. Uh, just a second. You will be finding our course. This is just launched. 1 second. Bank of Baroda corporate credit scale 2 to 4. I have not bifurcated because there is no bifurcation done on basis of the scale because the exam content will be almost more or less same for everyone. But in scale 4, you will have more corporate credit related questions to be asked to you. So we will take care of that inside. Okay. So once it is registered, see, there are content, financial awareness, banking classes, math, reasoning, english up to scale 3, scale 4 people not required. RBI circular and banking affairs very much important even if you are appearing for scale 4. Credit management, it's important, very much important. You know, you are applying for a credit quiz for only scale 2 and scale 3 they can apply. PDF notes of each section. Economics and financial management, and here financial management is most important, so you need to cover that with financial awareness and professional banking. All that you need to cover. This is the entire courseware, but the sections are more updated in inside the application. Okay, these are some content preview. Either you can check it or skip it, but inside you will get in content library you will get everything. Okay. Yes. Your further questions please. I'm working in Kotak Mahindra Bank 1.8 years. No, you cannot apply. Wait for 2 months, apply for other positions. I think I missed few comments. Distance is not an issue. प्लीज आंसर लास्ट क्वेश्चन, कितने लोगों ने अप्लाई किया है बॉब स्केल 3 MSME में? 500 to 600, नॉट मोर देन दैट. वो मुझे पता नहीं है बट इट विल नॉट बी मोर देन दैट. MBA फाइनेंस मार्केटिंग विथ 8 years of experience, scale 3, धीरज कुमार तिवारी. I think there are huge number of students from LinkedIn are asking many questions to us. So that's a great sense. Not only in YouTube, but so many people are watching us in LinkedIn too. So please, the LinkedIn viewers, please in description go to the YouTube link, join us on YouTube so that you don't miss a single lecture in our YouTube. I'm working with Cooperative Bank, 11 years of experience. Go ahead, not an issue. Nowadays, everything is at par. It's a financial institution. They will apply. They will allow you. MBA Finance with 5 year experience, but not in credit. But if you are in relationship management or sales, you can apply. Hi sir, any private organization credit? Yes, it's eligible. Naveen, complete MBA, 1.8 years of working experience. Wait for other exams, RRB, etc. RRB candidates having 5 year experience. Bomb considered RRB candidates. Vicky Jaiswal, who told you Bomb has not considered RRB candidates? Bomb has considered so many RRB candidates, so many of them. I think I have at least 20 people with RRB exposure got qualified in scale 3 and scale 2 both. Vicky Jaiswal, stay updated. I have told you that they were allowing this year, means they have allowed them. Okay. MBA correspondence with 5 year allowed. Other questions, please. Yes, you are eligible, Dheeraj. Salary in scale 3, 1.5 lakhs after 12th bipartite settlement gross. 1.5 lakhs. 1.5 lakh, not a small amount. Gross, I'm telling you, after 12th bipartite settlement in November 2022. And by the time you join, the bipartite settlement will be applicable. Those who missed, please apply. MBA with 5 years of experience, scale 3, 13 years of experience in bank. But PGDBM from it will work. Pro banker, it will work. You are a pro, you will be eligible, no issue. I am complete MBA. Those charts I have missed, please post it again. I have only 6 month experience in credit management. I've done my MBA. But if you have overall experience, Survi Tyagi, then you will be eligible. If you have overall 5 years of experience, you will be eligible. I'm complete MBA, 1.8 work experience in Kotak. Please wait for other vacancies. SBI, CBO, Bank of Maharashtra, Generalist Officer, next year RRB, wait for them. Private organization, Accenture as credit analyst. Accenture as a credit analyst. I think Accenture as a credit analyst. No, you are not eligible. Not eligible here. Wait for the IT related jobs. Financial institutions only. Okay. 15 years experience now in SBI Wealth, eligible. Not an issue. I don't have CA certificate, but I have 5 years experience. I go for scale 3 na. Happy Rai, please go for the scale 3 position. सर स्केल 3 के लिए स्पेशली क्रेडिट में होना चाहिए क्या? नहीं, स्पेशल क्रेडिट में नहीं होना चाहिए. सेल्स रिलेशनशिप कॉर्पोरेट क्रेडिट का एक्सपोजर नॉर्मली इसमें चाहिए. बट सी, इफ यू हैव नॉट, you are eligible to apply, but in interviews they are going to look, this is a corporate credit position, they want whatever corporate clients you have whether handled or not. So if you are having little exposure to corporate credit or relationship management to any company, etc., then only you can then only you should apply for it. But it will give you a good interview experience and written exam experience. I will say I cannot guarantee that without corporate exposure will you be allowed or not. But if you will ask me, I will definitely tell you that they are not going to get 325 number of people with corporate credit exposure. If they have to fill the vacancy, they have to take people from allied exposure. Clear? We will conclude the session in 5 minutes. Those who have further doubts can ask us in comment section in YouTube. We mostly answer questions in YouTube comments, so you can. RRB scale 2 with 9 years experience, scale 3. Madin Hazrat Naidu, you can go for it. 7 years of experience in private bank, currently working branch manager, scale 3. Fani Kumar. Become with 5 year experience in banking. No, you need a diploma degree 1 year or at least an MBA. Post graduation is mandatory. Okay. Any further questions? Because we have live classes for our ongoing students in RRB, so I don't want to delay their timing. I will urge the RRB students to go to the class. Okay. And I will also urge my IT team to share the class link. Subankar De, I am Subankar De. I am from Kolkata, accountant job, 2 years experience. No, you are not eligible for this very position. You can apply for upcoming recruitment. Stay in close touch with Knowledgist. Kindly answer my query of Ariana Entertainment. Ariana Entertainment, Arialina, and where is your question? I have to search it because so many questions were put. 1 year experience in banking now, SBI 14 years. Yes, you are eligible. You are eligible. You in wealth, you can say that you have handled corporate clients too. I don't have CA certificate. Can I know? But if you are a CA, you can apply. Certificate you can produce later. Provisional mark sheet, etc. will work. But if you are not at all a CA, then you cannot go for the scale 2. 5 year of experience, you are eligible. RRB is eligible. Don't worry. But see, you don't have the corporate exposure, so you should not have any any feeling of it. Means you should not put so much of hope for it. Okay, because in RRB you have little exposure to corporates, so you are eligible, but maybe they may not prefer you, or we don't know if they don't have the required number of candidates. They may take people from RRB, so you cannot say anything because see 75 number of scale 4 positions. Scale 4 the recruitment numbers are very less. They are not even getting scale 4 positions from their internal organization, from their internal circle with a two sorry up to 1 lakh one lakh employee base, and they are recruiting it from outside. That means they don't have that much of number who are willing to work in corporate credit, or they are having exposure to corporate credit. That means they may take people from allied experience. In Bob, direct entry to scale 4 is there. Yes, this one is the direct entry. This one is the direct entry. This one is the scale 4 direct entry, right? No, you if you are only graduate, you cannot apply for this position. Only MBA with finance without experience. No, you are yes, you are eligible. No, 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 you are eligible. Only people with a CA degree are eligible without experience. Okay, anyway, thank you everyone for joining us. You are with Knowledgist, India's only dedicated banking lateral entry platform. So, I think you have seen or you have been to our website and other videos where we have made some success stories of our previous batch. A huge number of people got selected in Bank of Maharashtra. So, thanks to everyone joining and participating with us. Criteria for direct entry is an interview. If you meet 10 years of experience criteria, then you can go for a direct interview with Bank of Baroda in scale 4 position, but you need to possess enormous knowledge in credit management. That is the precondition, because these interviews are not going to be easy, not going to be a cakewalk. Okay. Anyway, thank you for your continuing support towards us. Again, I will urge all the LinkedIn viewers, please switch to YouTube too, so that you don't miss sessions, because only few session of ours go live in uh, LinkedIn. Rest all the sessions go live in YouTube. And tomorrow we are launching a foundation course for newcomers, those who are new to banking. And also tonight we have a session for the credit management of Bank of India. Thank you everyone for joining here. Currently there is no opening for freshers. Thank you. Thank you once again. Thank you once again. Please ask your doubts to me in YouTube comment. It will be answered by me or our other banking panelists and banking experts. Thank you.